it's Mary. I'm here today with another costume video. I had such a good time making the 80s and 90s inspired costume video, mixing pieces from the thrift store with pieces that you already have, that I decided to do basically just a part 2 of that. They're not all 80s and 90s, most of them are 90s, and there's one that is just something I've always wanted to do that is a couple years old. It's a little bit of a throwback, but let's see what we got up my sleeve this time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more ridiculous videos of this nature. For Bret Michaels, musician and star of Rock of Love, I got some men's flare jeans and an affliction looking shirt at the thrift. I added a cowboy hat and boots that I already had, and then I put my workout headband around my head to look just like Bret's signature bandana. For the raver costume, I got these men's extra large athletic pants from the thrift store. I just added a visor, a camisole, and a ton of pony bead bracelets and necklaces. Bonus points if you have some sort of glow sticks or a binky you can add to the necklaces. For Drew Barrymore in Scream, you need a white or cream color cable knit v-neck sweater. I got this one from the thrift store along with some light colored khakis like she wears in the movie. The pants were too small, so I settled for light wash jeans. For Tanya Harding's mom, you need a faux fur coat, some giant glasses, and a bird to sit on your shoulder. These glasses I got in an estate sale, and they're actually a very heavy prescription, so I couldn't see anything while filming. I got this coat at a thrift store, and the bird is a Christmas tree decoration. Forrest Gump is pretty simple. You need a short sleeve plaid button down. Those are plentiful at the thrift store. Then pair it with khakis, sneakers, and a red hat. When my husband wore this costume, we actually printed a Bubba Gump label to put on the hat, but I was in a rush, so I just wrote it in marker. Clarissa from Clarissa Explains It All was a 90s fashion icon. There's so much you can do with her. I chose biker shorts, and I already had this colorful, oversized top I thrifted. Then I added the thick headband and those 90s dad sneakers that I used so much in the last costume video. There are tons of interpretations you could do for a 90s boy band member. I went with the oversized pants that I got for the raver costume, a shiny button-down shirt, and some vintage fisherman's cap I got from a estate sale. I just turned it backwards and kind of hoped it looked like a Kangol hat. Dressing as Ugg from Salute Your Shorts is easy and effective. All you need is khaki shorts, a t-shirt, and a Hawaiian shirt. I thrifted the Hawaiian shirt and the khaki shorts, and then you can just add hiking boots and a bucket hat. I made the whistle with a keychain tied around some string. Oh, and the unblended sunblock on the nose is imperative to the costume. For Scott Disick as Todd Cranes, you need a red and black plaid shirt. Keep it unbuttoned at the top, and I drew on a beard and added a gold watch. That's really all you need. Auntie Chris! It's me! It's Todd Cranes! I'm just eating placenta! Those are the costumes that I did, and I hope you like them. Let me know which one you liked down below. Let me know if you thought they were all ridiculous and awful, and please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video, and think about, you know, getting a costume from the thrift store this year, or just making it from pieces you already have at home, because it's not as hard as maybe you might think. And everything you can do to keep clothes out of the landfill is a good thing. This is his #1 behavioral problem, and I'm not doing anything about it because it's cute on the camera. Happy Halloween.